Okay guys, ito yung meal ko. Pinili ko is chicken McDo with fries and drinks. Yung iced tea yung drinks ko. Tapos is open yung nasa box. Ayan, wow. Ayan. Yung pinili ko is si Jaemin. Ayan. Jungkook, B, J-Hope, tapos Jaemin, RM, Suga. Tapos Jin. Ang hirap magbukas ng isang kamay lang pa. Ayan. Hindi po ako fan ng BTS pero nagustuhan ko yung ano ba to? J-Hope yung binigay. Yung pinili kong toy is si Jaemin, pero okay lang. Nice naman to. Nice. Yay! Tapos may card siya. Wow. Nice, no? Po guys, yun po nasa loob ng box. Nice. Only at McDonald's. Kain na tayo guys. That's all. Thank you.